Here we are in the top of the second. We had some technical difficulties in the first inning. Josh Danka scored on his first at-bat, getting Joe Michon out in the bottom of the first. Here comes his kick. Line drive off the tree. Can Joe Michon get it and get to the hoop in time? He's safe. It is now 2-0 here in the bottom of the second. Joe Michon's kick. A nice little kick, but it goes foul. Joe Michon has one foul on him now. Here comes the second kick. Nice little grounder to the left side. Into the garden. And it will be an easy out for Josh Danka. Maybe not. Okay. Timeout has been called by Josh Danka for a potty break. And we are back in the top of the third. Here with Josh Danka with a great lead, 2-0.
Not a great lead.
Shut up.
You can never skip leg day.
Off the wire, and it's fair ball. As it lands in the driveway. Should have been a home run if that wire was not there. But he makes it around the bases easily.
You can squat like 330, 340.
Here we are in the bottom of the third. Joe Michon up. He's down 3-0 here. His first kick is foul off the roof. He has one foul on him now. Second kick. High fly ball. Fair ball. Fair ball. Nice little put up by Josh Danka. Top of the fourth here now. Josh Danka still with the lead, 3-0. This kick off the pole, hitting the window.
Did that stop?
He's safe at the plate. Josh Danka hit it out of the basket.